Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I want to show you how to make an envelope skirt. Here's a layout of what you'll need. First, you'll need two of these trapezoid shape, and the other shape you'll need to cut out is an envelope shape and the zipper. So let's get started. First, get a skirt that fits you really well and turn it inside out. This skirt has a zipper on one side and stitch closed on the other side. Trace the skirt onto the material. The material I'm using is jacquard and it's very beginner-friendly material. First, I fold the fabric so that I have 4 layers and cut out trapezoid shape. Then I take 2 trapezoid shape and adjust them. We'll put away the other 2 pieces for envelope shapes to cut out later. Here, I'm adjusting the length of the skirt. The width of the skirt depends on your waist and hip, but the length of the skirt is 15.5 inches in my case. I'm tracing the envelope shape now and cutting it. Your cutout should look like this. To straight stitch the envelope cutouts, it's best to fold the pointed corner like so, and then fold the sides so you'll have a nice pointed corner when you sew. This type of material doesn't fray as much, but I do suggest serging this part so you'll have a nice finish to it. Here, I'm putting all the pieces together to visualize how I will sew. First, you sew the edges of the envelope shape, and then put the back of the skirt facing right sides together on top, and sew along the edges of the skirt. Then you'll fold the top and sew around the top, and fold the bottom and sew around. Your envelope corner should look like this. Go ahead and sew the other one. Then sew the sides of the skirts together. Make sure to sew a zipper on one side. I'll show you in another video on how to insert a zipper. It's really easy. After sewing the edges of the skirt, you should have 3 layers for the front of the skirt all facing in one direction, and then you should have 1 layer for the back of the skirt. Sew around the top of the skirt like so. Now lastly, take the bottom of the skirt and fold it and sew around. with sewing. After sewing, I like to take my piece and iron it so that the edges are nice and flat. And we are all done. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for toddler hat tutorial.